Hey, what's up guys? This is Alex Martin and this is your GoPro course preview. Down the first straightaway, some good lines here, real rough today for amateur day. Coming in the left-hander before the first tabletop on the track. Coming into the sand whoops. Real sandy here this year. Got some good whoops. Actually started out flat at the beginning of the day. Nice sand corner here. Little man's berm blasting, I see.
Rail this outside, fourth gear wide open, chicken winging it. Hit the catapult right where he crashed. And you got the uphill triple here, nice little whip jump. Jumping down the hill here, we call it the first downhill. Coming back on up, shooting across, cut out a few sections for pro day. Here we are in the back now. We got the first double in the back here. It's a pretty big booter. Changed this up a little bit this year. It used to be a triple there and it just kind of goes straight across over to this uphill right here.
Pretty choppy up here today. Nice little double at the top. U-turn and head back down. Some big breaker bumps there as well.
Alright guys, this is Jeremy Martin, and that is your lap around Millville from the kid himself.